A major renovation project is underway at Lehigh Valley Hospital in Hazleton. Our Lisa Sugart sat down with the president of the local hospital, John Fletcher.
So the renovation process has begun.
It has. It's been a long planning process. We've actually been planning this for well over a year. It's going to include the expansion of our emergency department. We're almost going to double the size of the current emergency department. It's going to include a brand new lobby area. You're going to pull up to the hospital and it's going to look like a new hospital. We are renovating each patient room. All of the floors will be renovated. We are moving to all private rooms. As you know, it's been a concern of ours for a long time about the semi-private rooms. We think it's important to have the privacy and to move to private rooms. And so, although the renovations will allow us to have semi-private rooms during peak periods, a majority of the time, if not 90% plus, we'll be able to have our patients in private rooms. And so a little bit, you're going to walk into the main entrance. You're going to see a beautiful, beautiful lobby. You're going to walk into the emergency department with the new waiting area. You're going to see behind the doors, behind the waiting area, an emergency department that's doubled in size. We're going to add much needed behavioral health beds in our emergency department. We're going to have a fast track or for lower acuity patients to be seen. We're adding a new equipment, new CT scanner right in the emergency department. Jump on the elevator, head to the floor. As soon as you get off the elevator, it's not going to look at all what it looks like today. All new furnishings, the new flooring, the walls will be updated, will be painted. New nurses station, the walk into a patient room, private patient room. We're renovating the entire facility. We started with the third floor just a couple of weeks ago, and I was up this morning to take a look at our progress, and it's amazing what they're able to do in such a short period of time. It doesn't look like a nursing floor. It doesn't look like a patient floor. All the floors are ripped up. The rooms are completely stripped, and right now they're just doing the wiring. So it's an exciting time, and so we're excited about it. Some inconvenience, especially initially when we're pulling the floors up. It created a little bit of noise that we have to make sure that we're controlling, and because we're still taking care of patients. It's a very tricky project.
I would think so.
We are trying to make sure that we continue to take care of our patients at the same time remodel. So the planning process is amazing.
This is only the first stage. We don't have time to get into all the details. You're looking at renovations at other locations as well.
Yes, so and we are in the planning phases. This is not where a start, finish, start, finish. So we are in the process of expansion of the Health and Wellness Center, and we're finalizing the plans to get those projects out to bid. We're also looking at our Center City expansion and getting those plans finalized. And the fourth phase of the plan is physician recruitment, which provider recruitment, that's physicians as well as nurse practitioners and physician assistants. And we've added a number of new physicians. We're interviewing physicians almost weekly to make sure that we have primary care and the specialists needed. We are expanding our services at the end of this month. And so working with our network from Allentown, we're going to be bringing physicians from the Allentown area to Hazleton at the end of May. To see our patients here instead of traveling and leaving for rheumatology, pulmonology, urology, a number of infectious disease, a number of key areas that are either services that we need more of in Hazleton or services we currently don't offer here. And so that's critical. And I think being part of a network, that's the advantage that we have. We are bringing recruiting resources here for full-time, but also some of those areas where we need maybe not a full-time physician, but instead of having members from our community travel outside the area, we'll have the ability to take care of them right here.
John Fletcher will talk about the renovations on a new Sam Lassant show. It airs tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. and Friday at 1 p.m. or watch anytime with our free Samsung Productions app or at SSPTV.com.